First of all, I introduce myself. I am Vedna from class Metric. Today, my presentation topic is noise pollution. First of all, what is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the excessive and unwanted sound that disturb the natural environment and affect the human health. For example, noise pollution and industrial pollution. What is the causes of noise pollution? Industrial and transportation, traffic, airport and other transportation contribute to noise pollution. And social activities, musical festivals, parties and other social environment activities can cause the noise pollution. What is the effect of noise pollution? Health problem. Noise pollution can cause the hearing loss issues and stress, sleeping disturbance and other health issues. And environment problem. Noise pollution can destroy wildlife habits, ecosystem and other natural environment. What is the solution of noise pollution? Noise reducing techniques, soundproofing, no barrier and other techniques can reduce the noise pollution. Alternative techniques, electric vehicles and renewable energy and other alternative techniques can reduce the noise pollution. Thanks for listening to me.